Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust KINU M47 step by step. Start by placing the grinder on a stable surface, emptying the hopper, and setting the adjustment ring to a baseline mark. Then perform small changes and test grind consistency with short pulls. Use a small brush to clear grounds between tweaks, note burr alignment visually, and listen for steady rotation. Make one-click changes and record results for reproducible dialing. Fine-tuning means patience and repeatable testing, so work methodically and keep notes while you adjust. Grind a small dose after each one-click change, check particle distribution visually, and taste for extraction differences. Make adjustments in the direction that shortens or lengthens shot time as required and avoid large jumps that mask subtle improvements. Keep the grinder clean and use the same beans for consistent benchmarking each run. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and hit like to support more helpful content. On another note, quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup effortless so you can focus on perfecting grind settings. I mention it because fewer chores mean more time dialing shots. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Routine cleaning preserves grind consistency and extends burr life, so schedule quick maintenance sessions often. Remove the top burr for a thorough brush and vacuum of trapped particles, inspect for uneven wear, and reassemble with careful alignment. Check the lock mechanism and run the grinder empty briefly to confirm smooth rotation. Keeping the M47 clean reduces drift and ensures your settings remain reliable across many sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.